As a course creator, one of the most frustrating parts is coming up with content. Like, how do you know what content you need to create? How do you know what content you need to include? How do you know what content is too much and can be overwhelming for your learners? There is a website that I use, and it's a handy dandy tool that I think is actually underused and under talked about, but can change the trajectory of your course creation process. A long time ago, there were websites such as ask.com or Yahoo Answers, and those websites eventually became null and void because they just weren't used in the appropriate manner. Now there's a website that is so awesome, and it's called Quora, Quora. Quora is an amazing website that allows people to go there to ask questions and get answers from people that happen to know it. Now, as a course creator, one of the first ways that you can use Quora is you can head over there and you can start seeing what questions people are asking that are in relation to your course. So for example, if you're creating a course on how to do yoga on a busy schedule, head over to Quora, type those keywords in, and see what questions people are asking. This helps you to structure and gear the content that you're including inside of your course based on the questions people are asking. A second way to use Quora, which is absolutely amazing because Quora is going to be a long-standing tool you can use, is that you take the content that people are asking and you start to show up as the expert you are and start answering those questions. Once you create a profile on Quora, then you're able to answer those questions strategically, letting people know that you are the expert and dragging people back to you. You can link your course, your website, things like that. So now people want to know more of who you are and how to connect with you and how to take it to that next step. The cool thing about Quora is it's evergreen. So unlike most social media sites, it's not like it expires after 24 hours and people no longer see your content because of the algorithm. If people type in certain keywords that triggers your post or your response, people could see this months or years down the road. So it's definitely a tool that you need to maximize. Now, if you're getting overwhelmed with the process of I don't want another social media account that I have to stay in tune with or constantly check in with, you don't need to do that. I started using Quora for the first time when I was getting my eyebrows done. Just sitting in the shop, jumped on and answered a few questions. And now I use Quora when I can fit it in. For you, you may decide that you want to go around and play with Quora and decide that you're going to use it 1 hour a week or 2 hours a week. But what I will say is do not overlook it. So what I'm going to challenge you to do today is I'm going to challenge you to head over to Quora and create an account. Now, here's the thing. When you create an account, don't say that you're a ballet instructor if your course has nothing to do with ballet. Talk about what you are, right? If you're creating a course on how to heal after divorce, talk about that. So, I'm a specialist that helps women heal after traumatic breakups or whatever it may be, so that people aren't getting confused about your profile, but then also the expertise that you're displaying and answering questions. Create an account. It takes absolutely no time. And then start digging in. See what questions people are asking. See what questions you feel comfortable answering. And then start making it a regular practice because it'll really help you to see what content you need to include in your course, but it'll also help you to see what answers you can answer and show your authority, show your expertise, and then in turn start getting potential leads as well. So head over there. So if you're looking for more tools like that to get started on your course creation journey, then use the link below because I have a totally free course creation made simple guide for you. And basically it helps you to take the overwhelming concept and process of having to create a course and simplify it so that you can now make what seemed overwhelming super simple and you can dive in and create your course. So use the link below and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.